Hello everyone. Today we are going to do the practical implementation for Excel macros. Excel macros are powerful tools that help automate repetitive tasks in Microsoft Excel, making work faster, more efficient, and less prone to errors. A macro is essentially a sequence of instructions that can be recorded or written using Visual Basic for applications, allowing users to perform complex operations with a single click. Instead of manually repeating the same steps again and again, macros enable you to streamline processes such as data formatting, report generation, and calculations. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced user, understanding Excel macros can significantly improve productivity and help you handle large data sets with ease. Now, let's start the practical implementations. This is our consumer transactions table. First we copy it and make another table in the same workbook. Control A, Control C, then in sheet 1 we paste it and we rename it as demo. Now in customer transactions table we want to apply the macro. First we do some changes. This is our head. 1 minute. This is our heading. What we can do, we go to our developer option, then here you can see the record macro option and the macros option. Okay, so first we select the record macro option, then here the macro name is macro 1. We can rename it such as Hari macro. Remember, here you cannot make the space between the two words. Either you can use the underscore instead of spaces. Then here we can also use the shortcut key like Control Q. Then we done it. Okay. So our recording gets start. Now let's do our work. Here first we extend our column names. Now we make our headings bold letters. Now we can also refill it with color. We fill it with color such as a yellow color. Then we can also give border to this table. Control Shift arrow, Control Shift arrow. Here we use border option to giving border to our table, arrow, and then here all borders. Now we can also apply the function like COUNTIF, SUMIF. So let's start. Here we take product category, then total amount, then count. Now in product we simple paste all the rows of the product category column and paste here. Control V. Now we have to be remove duplicate from here. So we go to the data option and then we click here remove duplicate option. You only select this arrow duplicate, continue with the current selection and then remove duplicates and then OK. So we remove the duplicates. Then here we have to find the total amount, for which we use the option of sum if. So equal to sum if, then range. So the range is from, we take the range from the product category column, then we have to select the criteria is home and living, and then again comma, and then we take the sum range from here, from the amount column we take the sum range, our sum range from the amount column, and then we close the parenthesis and enter it. We get the total amount of home and living product category. Then we simply drag it, double click here, and you get the remaining total amount. Then we go towards the count option. So simply we use countif option equal to countif, then bracket start, range from the product category column, then again comma, criteria is home and living, simply we close the parenthesis and enter, and then we drag it by clicking plus on and then double click, so you get the remaining also. Now this all we already recorded. Now we go to the developer option and then use the option of stop recording, so the recording get stopped. Now we have to do this same practice again and again daily. For an example, in our daily life, this practice we have to done daily. So this is our another worksheet of a demo. We have to apply here the same way which we used previously in customer transactions table. So simply what we have to do, either we use the shortcut key like control Q. Let's do it. Control Q. See the magic. See the magic. We skip from the same work again and again, and simply we, with the help of macro, we can do the same work easily and fast. We didn't require to do manually. So we use the shortcut key of control Q. Either we can use shortcut key control Q, or we can also go to the macros option, and from here also the saving folder you can see, and you can click on run button again, simply to get this. So in this way we have to apply the macro option in the Excel sheet. So we get skip from the manual work and use, with the help of macro we can save our time. Thank you.